I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Google Maps and confirming location services are on so results match your position. Next, sign in if you want saved places. Type the address or place into the search bar, or press and hold the map to drop a pin when the address is unknown. Doing this lets maps generate precise coordinates and options. Once done, glance at the info card that appears. It contains the name, address, and share or directions buttons you will use next. You now refine the location. Tap the place card to see coordinates and more actions because precision matters when sharing. If the pin needs nudging, drag it on mobile or right-click on desktop to choose What's Here, which gives exact lat/long. Use Save to add it to a list for future access, or tap Share to copy a short link that recipients can open directly. Make sure to check the preview before sending so they arrive at the right spot. You finish by confirming the route and travel mode. This ensures travel time and directions match your needs. If you'll lose data, download the offline area so the map still works. When sharing, test the link quickly to confirm it opens at the right pin. If the location is inaccurate, you can move the pin, add a missing place, or report a problem to Google that corrects the map over time. One tip: toggle GPS off and on to quickly recalibrate if position seems stuck.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.